System Restore is dead. For years, Windows users have relied on a broken legacy feature that lived in the control panel. If a rogue driver bricked your system, your documents went down with the ship. Not anymore. Microsoft just quietly dropped point-in-time restore into Windows 11. This is not a rollback. It is a literal time machine for your entire hard drive. Today, I am showing you exactly how to configure this so you never lose data again, and how to avoid the hidden encryption trap that will permanently lock you out of your PC if you do it wrong. Let's get started. Open your Windows settings, go to System, and click Recovery. Click View or Edit on the Point-in-Time Restore feature. Click Yes and flip the master switch to On. You will notice the frequency and retention dropdowns are grayed out. Do not waste your time trying to unlock them. Microsoft intentionally limits these settings to their enterprise editions. For everyone else, Windows enforces a hard-coded 24-hour backup cycle and a 72-hour retention limit. You only need to optimize one thing: the restore point disk usage. The default limit is often far too low. Drag the maximum usage slider up to at least 10%, 10 gigabytes plus. If you leave this at 2%, a single large game update will overwrite your safety snapshots, leaving you with nothing when you actually need a restore. Give it room to breathe. Click Save to commit your allocation. Stop and listen to me very carefully before you ever use this, because this feature captures the entire drive state. Restoring to yesterday means any local file you created today will be permanently destroyed. But here is the real trap: BitLocker. If your drive is encrypted, and most modern Windows 11 PCs are, triggering this restore from the crash screen will demand your 48-digit BitLocker key. If you don't know it, your PC is a brick. How to find your key? If you use a Microsoft account, open a browser on your phone and go to account.microsoft.com/devices/recovery key. Your 48-digit key is sitting right there. If you use a local account, the cloud does not have your key. It lives only on your machine. Open an elevated command prompt, type manage-bde-protectors-get C:, and hit enter. Your key is the long string of numbers in the numerical password field. Once you have it, write it down, take a picture of it, and save it somewhere that is not on the computer you are trying to fix. If your PC won't boot, you are staring at the blue recovery screen. Navigate to Troubleshoot and click Point-in-Time Restore. Windows will instantly demand that BitLocker key. Type in the 48 digits you just saved. Once unlocked, select the most recent snapshot before your PC crashed. Acknowledge the warning and hit Restore. Walk away. When you come back, your PC will be exactly as you left it. Configure this right now. Do not wait until your system is unbootable. If this feature just saved your files, hit that subscribe button. And now that your PC is safe, you need to ensure corrupt drivers don't trigger a crash in the first place. Click the video on screen right now to see the ultimate scorched earth guide to fixing Windows 11 blue screens permanently. See you there.